Hi, it's me, Cherry. So today, as you can see, I'm dressed as Rudolph. Yeah, I went a little overboard with the makeup, but I had so much fun just creating it. I'm trying to make myself be like a naughty Rudolph because I went through all the candy and I ate it all. But it was a challenge to get this onesie. I got this reindeer onesie from Rue 21. But I went through like three freaking targets to find a reindeer onesie. So let's take a flashback to me trying to shop for this reindeer onesie. I got a onesie to buy! The eyelashes are so bad. Oh no. None of these, maybe this? I don't know. I need this onesie! Can't find the reindeer one I saw the other day. Yes. Okay. So they have this. This is ugly though. Hurry up! I have one left, and it's an extra small. Y'all, I made it here in record time. Yes, I got it. It's an extra small, but whatever.
I think when you get your panties in your butt.
A wedgie.
A wedgie. Yeah.
Great.
You gotta get a wedgie. Great.
Yeah, it was insane. Oh gosh, so I'm finally glad. And then remember they had an extra small at Rue 21 for the last one, extra small. I'm like, whatever, I'll just take it. I'll try to squeeze in it. I just need something. And this morning I checked the actual size because I'm like, this kind of feels big on me. This can't be an extra small. And I checked it. It's a freaking medium. It's actually my size. So I was like, oh, they sized it wrong. And I feel like they sized it wrong so someone else, like maybe someone was trying to save it for themselves. I don't know, but I was lucky enough to get my size. I'm carrying 3 Capri Suns over there, so wish me good luck I don't like break something. Kind of a throwback, so just trying to guess the song I'm dancing. Is it? No, close. No, close. They're in a construction area. Oh, she can't get it. I can't get it. $1,000. It's catch me if you can. Yeah. I'm gonna dab so hard.
Oh yeah.
They're not festive, but yeah. She's thinking really hard. Oh, what ace? 7. Yeah. He's serving hip though. You guys are missing out. I smell that. That is strong. Hello, Serena. Oh my god, those glasses.
What's it to you?
Got Teslin, got some cute reindeers over there. Everyone's reindeers, yay! Oh, she took it off. We got Alf, our buddy here, fixing his belt. You got this, you got this. Oh guys!
Come twice! Yes!
I don't know.
We're getting steamy up in here.
Nobody knows. No, it's not. I know.
We're about to start the showcase. Are you ready?
Hi, vlog.
I love you so much. Oh my god.
Love you so much. Super fan. I'm fangirling right now.
Wait, go ahead, say your name.
My name is Aldo Garcia. I'm 16 years old, San Diego citizen. This is like a live show introduction.
Yeah.
My set when I sit on the chair. What's that movie?
I'll be down. I'll do it.
You're always down to
I'll do it.
shove cake in my face. We love a supportive
For the content.
mom. This would be so cold. I would cry.
Stage performing Catch Me If You Can. Let's give it up for Cherry.
Let's go, Cherry!
Ain't she a catch?
Everyone say hello. Hi. Hello, guys. Guys ready? Yeah. I know everyone wants to say hi, guys. Hey, guys. You ready? Oh my god. Say hi, guys. He's so cute. And he's cute. You can tell. All right, ready to dance. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it.
I don't know.
I'm hot. We are finally done with the random dance play. I'm sweating. I probably look terrible.
Random dance.
Like, what channel is it on?
We're mainly on Facebook, so follow up as K-pop SD.
K-pop SD.
There's 2 pages, but the main one is the Facebook group, which you have to join, but she's in charge of. I'm in charge of the separate one without a space on it, so it doesn't matter which one you follow. We will post on there. I also do updates on Instagram, so Kapo Monkey, K-A-P-O Monkey.
Thanks for coming, Terry. Chef. Hi.
Instagram.
Oh, Chef.Rivera.
Yes! Thank you so much, Sherry.
Thank you. You broke that thing. How did you break it the second time?
Just like too hard. My balls, 2 of them. They both came out.
And then she pops up out of nowhere. What the heck? From Arizona. Why are you here? Why are you in town?
Because I'm gonna go see Ace tomorrow, so I figured I'd make a pit stop at San Diego.
This is the end of the vlog. It's not that much. I'm sorry, but you can see my struggles of finding this suit. And then everyone can say bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye to the vlog. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Chef. Annyeong. Oh, okay, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, do it. What would you do? Cherry out. Oh. Wait, what? I'm a cherry on top. Yeah. Oh, you gotta specify. Okay. I'm a cherry on top. Yeah.